Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the final XCW event for 2019. I was hoping that would say Merry and fucking Christmas, but I couldn't afford it. So, we have a cage match. Second only cage match in XCW history. Possibly a triple threat for the XCW Championship. You need to be there to watch it. I'm hoping you'll be there to watch it.
Switchblade here to open XCW. Holy hell!
I have been waiting. Get those stupid fingers out of my face. I have been waiting 2 months now for my XCW state title.
You're wearing it. It's one of them chameleon ones. Made from the finest chameleon skin. It's camouflage.
I know I got a good waistline, but I need a title for it.
Oh, okay, I'll be
More than what you can say.
I'm going to be honest with you for just a few seconds.
Don't touch this.
I saw one of them in bloody Poppies the other day. It's here. It's here. I can put it in my chin too. See, I've got two on. It's over there in a box with all your dignity and your self-respect, personal responsibility, all your achievements. Oh, that's right. It's not there.
It's not there. Where is it then?
Where's your fans?
I don't care about stupid fans. They're beneath me.
I do. They keep me cool at night.
You might be owner,
yeah,
but I'm the best in the universe and I demand respect from someone like you that's a piece of garbage.
How can I give someone respect when you don't even know how to spell it?
Speaking...
Promote that man.
Shut up. You fans are all beneath me, just like our own CEO is. Now, why don't you go join these pathetic losers in the garbage pile? I don't even know where the tip is because I'm not from here. Dump of a town. Go into that garbage pile. Just like Hellhammer did. Your best friend.
Yeah.
And go retire.
Clever. He told you to say that, fucking Chase. Oh, you're so clever. Can't come up with anything original.
Chase.
Because you don't have a belt. Because I don't want to give you a belt. Because you're a self-disrespecting piece of shit.
I demand respect.
How about I just give the belt to him? He's got bigger balls than you do. Bye.